In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document into a Google form in just about 5 minutes. Creating an online form from a document may seem like a daunting task, but with these simple steps, you'll see just how straightforward it can be. First, let's begin by opening your Word document. This document should contain all the questions you wish to transfer to your Google form. Take a moment to review these questions. Ensure they are clear and concise, as this will facilitate a smoother transition and help maintain your form's quality. Once you have your document ready and you've reviewed your questions, it's time to head over to Google Forms. In your internet browser, type in Google Forms or go directly to the Forms website. You'll see a main page with various template options, but for this task, we'll keep it simple by clicking on the blank form option. This blank slate allows you to start fresh, giving you complete control over how you want your form to look. Next, return to your Word document. Here, you will start the copying process. Highlight the first question, right-click, and choose Copy, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+C for Windows or Command+C for Mac. Then switch back to your Google Form tab. Click on the section where it says Untitled Question and paste your question there by right-clicking and selecting Paste or using Ctrl+V or Command+V. With the question pasted, you'll now need to decide on the appropriate question type. Google Forms offers several options like multiple choice, short answer, or even a drop-down menu. Think about the best way to collect responses for each question. For example, if you're looking for specific one-word answers, the short answer might be the best choice. If your question requires responders to choose from several options, then multiple choice would be more fitting. Repeat this process for each question in your document. Copy the next question from the Word doc, return to your Google form, paste it into a new field, and select the question type. Continue doing so until all questions have been transferred. After successfully adding all your questions, your form should be ready to go. Now it's time to share your creation. Look for the Publish or Share button, often depicted by a human icon with a plus sign next to it. Clicking this will give you sharing options so you can distribute your form. You can either send a direct link to respondents or share through your preferred platform. And there you have it, a Word document transformed into a fully functional Google form in just a few easy steps. I hope this guide makes your next form creation process smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tutorials.